Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Moses Adedire. I'm the founder and co-founder of Speak Africa. So this is for Speak Africa BMC business model Canva. So what Speak Africa does is to bring about the breaking language barriers to strengthen African business education and diplomacy and everyday human interaction in order to improve African languages. So that is what Speak Africa is all about and more than that. So the key partners of Speak Africa is Alphabet Inc., Google API, by with the use of Google API for now in order to improve our own. So we are using Google API tentatively for now in order to improve while our own we are working on our own underneath. So we are the other key partners which are traditional rulers. So we need to partner with the rulers, traditional rulers, in order to improve their language. This will be a kind of a scheme and encouragement for them. So governmental and international bodies overseeing the promotion of African language are part of our partner. African language teachers and lecturers and instructors, they are also the part of our partner. The key activities we involve in live classes, uh, point to translation and game-based activities in order for people to have the interest of African language because we see that people love games and there is a way we are planning in order to make this more easy for people. Exam to earn certificate, which we are planning in order to make this more real to the extent that this certificate can be used with some companies that are interested in language, maybe for their translation. It could be like MTN that need people to translate some like customer services and all sort of things, and many other companies. So we have the premium video classes and library too, which people can get engaged. We have key resources where the key resources, the use of the application is either on the web or on the mobile application. So we have the branding. We are branding the system too. Marketing team and video design, these are the part of the key resources. Kings and queen approach in Africa for the purpose of awareness and getting direct resources from their e.g. their history, culture, and heritage. So there is no way we can do this without getting engaged with the queen and king in Africa. So we have school institutions and awareness in Africa abroad for partnership resources to better the application. So we are trying all our best to linger with schools and institutions that can be using our system to value propositions or limited accessible live and interactive classes for learning African languages in cultural authentic context. Number one, read times translation tools to bridge the language gap between the learner and educator and native speaker. Two, number three, a platform that reconnect the African diaspora with their linguistic and cultural roots through structure and language learning. So the number four is teacher-friendly tools and analytics to deliver, track, and assess African language learning progress. The fifth point is the curriculum align African language education tool for integration into local and international school systems. So we are working on all this as a value proposition. So customer relationship, active language learning communities, chat group where learner can speak interactively with each other, help desk, email support for technical or content related queries. So there will be a standby customer service in order for us to improve the system. Interactive tutorial for the first time users on how to use the integrated features. Freemium access to basic features with a premium membership offering advanced feature. Institutional partnership with school or cultural centers too. Reward system for completing classes or mastering vocabulary grammar. So in order to encourage the learners. So channels online via our web application and mobile application. And number two, marketing viral videos and content, like we can throw challenges, language challenges, or like saying what is your language. When they say good morning in your language, you can throw it online. So this can be a part of what will improve our channel system. So marketing to school and institution, we partner with school, we're introducing our API to schools, and referral, social media and digital advertising, targeting eco-conscious and eco-conscious and tech-savvy consumer, face-to-face inquiry, direct call and messages and emails. So learner of African customer segment, learner of African language, diaspora community, second generation African abroad, heritage learners wanting to understand family native tongues, language enthusiasts interested in African linguistics, teachers and language tutors, teachers and language tutors, and teachers and language tutors. So independent tutors teaching African EG Yoruba, Wolof, Amharic, Zulu, community-based language, and and cost structure, platform development and maintenance, web and mobile development, front end and back end, UI UX software, update the bug fix, scalability, cloud infrastructure, content creation and curation, game design development, multimedia production, and salary and stipends need to be used in other language to improve their to encourage language teachers and tutors for live sessions, software development and product manager, marketing and admin legal. So revenue stream, customer user subscription per individual, per group, per organization, per kingdom, simple adverts in the future for anybody interested to advertise on our application based on their African heritage, e.g. like FB, Netflix, like that. So these are the team. Me, Moses Oluwashina Adedore, Najani, Ben, Dara, Abraham Ogunwale, Olamide, and Sasare Solomon and David Oluwashed, their family. So our mentor, which has been a very good mentor to us, he has really helped us. So mentor Jean Reza Fufak. So this is the way to contact. And what three in conclusion, what I've learned so far on the use of the BMC that has been we have been trained on the from our tutor, which is Dr. Jane, is I've learned about the clarity and simplicity. Number one point, the three thing I've learned: simplicity and clarity and simplicity to provide a clear, concise, and overview of business model on a single system. So it has really helped to simplify and give me more clarification. And the number two thing I've learned is the strategic alignment and the structure that it has brought to the system. It has brought a lot of strategic, the way things have been more compressed in order for us to have a clue. So this has really aligned a various part of business like the customer segment, value proposition, channels, and revenue stream, and decision making, and many things. And also it has helped, which is the point of the flexibility and innovation. So it has really helped in this area. The visual format make it easy to test. We can do a lot of redesigning and a lot of things. So this is the business model cover for Speak Africa. Thank you so much.